Now we're gonna roll it thin.
Yeah, like this. Okay.
Okay.
And you can press. Look.
Now we're making it thinner and longer. Oh, it's already on. Okay. Now we heat it up, but it's getting a bit softer. That we don't break it well, like making it thinner. And one question, what's this white material?
This white material is like cotton.
Cotton?
Fireproof cotton.
Ah, fireproof cotton. Okay, cool. Now you can see already that it's getting red. And when I have to stop? It's already red?
Yeah, stop. Now.
Okay.
We put it
In the water.
Yeah, water. Not now, is it?
Okay, so now the width is already fine. And now we make it a bit longer and thinner. So now we make the same process as before. Heat it up. Make it soft. So we take it. And the left one.
Yeah, no.
Now it's getting white again. Water. Clean. Next step is to take plastic hammer and make it flat. But if you want some jewelry like this. And now the next step is to draw the form. Let's see if I can draw. Oh shit.
This you press here, and then you plate.
Ah. Wow. I'm stupid.
This press.
Yes. Yes?
Yeah.
Perfect. So the circle is there.
Yeah.
This is now the next step. Cut the circle out. Ah, why back? Ah, okay.
To cut it more easily.
Yes. And now I'm giving it the form we draw on the silver plate. And the wax is there, it's getting smoother. Super precise work.
Yeah.
A few moments later. And let's see if it falls down. Yes. Perfect. Oh, since it's not round perfectly, it's like the real sun, like he said. We make it a bit round. And his name is Suraj, which means sun. Fits perfect to my object. And he's doing this since 30 years and he's 37. Okay. So now we try to draw the other part. So this is the drawing. Let's see if I can saw it. Yeah, perfect.